Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. This Custom Trail Boss is featured in a white paint finish and is a jet black cloth interior. Under the hood we have a 5.3 liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission as well as 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 6-passenger seating. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an integrated trailer brake controller, as well as our cruise settings. Outside the vehicle, we have black alloy wheels, our 2-inch factory lift, Z71 off-road package, a power tailgate, spray-on bed liner, as well as our soft rolling tonneau cover. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock, storage and our speaker and the rest of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer mode, transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive, as well as all of our lighting controls and an electronic parking brake. Driver seat, as well as all 3 of the other seats in the front of the vehicle, all finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system, as well as our odometer. Currently have 16,184 kilometers. If we tilt on either side of our knob to the right, we can adjust all of our information systems. Moving down to the steering wheel itself, we have cruise on the left-hand side, wiper controls, as well as our turn signals on the right as well. Column shifter up to the right, keyed ignition on the side, and on it we also have our remote start from our factory on the top. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth media, phone connection, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, trailer light controls, as well as our 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot on the first page. Second page has our backup camera with our adaptive and hitch view guidelines. Below it, we have home, seat, volume, and mute, as well as our hands-free. Single zone temperature controls in the front of the vehicle with front and rear defrost, AC, as well as all of our zone settings. Below that, downhill assist, power tailgate, our hazard lights, and traction control. Integrated brake controller with an auto-locking rear differential. And we have a USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and a 120 volt plug. Center seat, center console combo that we can fold down just behind the seat belt here on the driver's side. Inside of it, we have storage with 2 cup holders and some deep storage in the back. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings, dome lights for the front of the vehicle, as well as our dome lighting control. Now walking down the side in front of the vehicle. On the front, we have our Chevrolet badge, as well as Z71 and our red tow hooks. Moving down the side of the vehicle, just before our front door, is Z71 off-road badging. Front tire and rim is our black alloy rim with a Chevy bow tie center cap, as well as our all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors, black capped door handles, and a black assist step, as well as our 2-inch factory lift throughout. Back of the vehicle, we have Trail Boss badging and our corner bumper step. All the way around to the back, Chevrolet etched into our tailgate, as well as Silverado and custom badging in chrome, dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as our trailer tow hitch. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have a press release on the back. Inside the back itself, we have in-bed lighting, 3 cable tie-downs to both the front and the back on either side, spray-on bed liner, as well as our soft rolling tonneau cover. Moving into the back of our crew cab, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, in the back of our center console center seat combo, we have our 2 vents, all-weather rubber mats throughout the vehicle. Second row seat, we have a 60/40 folding bench split, all finished in our jet black cloth. If we lift up on the front of the seats, we can fold them into place. To unfold, we just have to push forward, and we can make some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Trail Boss. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.